recording. Box number 8, DailyBoxBreaks.com. Slow roll. Again, you guys, couple spots left for box 11. That will be the last box of the night. And then we'll pick it up tomorrow. Pick up where we left. I think I'm liking this camera. I think the new computer has worked. You know, it's like kicking ass. $43. X marks the spot. We'll see how that new camera looks. It's supposed to be phenomenal. So, if the new camera is even better, here we go. X marks the spot. Still looking for that triple auto. That's guaranteed. Thomas Brady. $250. Ben Roethlisberger. $9.99. Which box? Oh boy, what were the numbers on it? I think you did ask for them. Was it 346? Or 2? Which one was it? Let me know. I have 346 in my hand. I'll send them with your package. Ben Roethlisberger. $9.99. Matt Castle, $9.99. Jonathan Stewart, $9.99. And one hiding. Josh Freeman out of 300. You know it, just let me know. Box 8, serial 643. Yeah, it's yours, man. I'm gonna put a little post-it on it for you. Cool. I'll send you that box for you, brother. What are the odds of that, right? You did ask for something like that. Oh, cool. 2-color. For the Vikings, Christian Ponder. Rivals. 1 out of 36. For the Vikings. Andrew A., dude. You're a big Vikings fan. There you go, Broseph. I hope your screen ain't blank. Let me know if it is, other people. Speak up. Next up, Jonathan Baldwin, another class act. And that is 36 out of 50. Yeah, just reload it, buddy. If you got a blank screen, just do a little reload. Chiefs belong to Ben J. Dude, you're killing it, man. Killing it. Still looking for that triple autograph. Hakeem Nicks, 250. Marshawn Lynch, 999. Matt Ryan, 999. Ahmad Bradshaw, 999. LeGarrette Blount, 300. Von Miller. She's a low number. It's kind of hard. It's a really glossy card. 5 out of 9. Pretty low for the Broncos. Broncos are Greg B. There you go, Greg. It's pretty sweet. Pretty low number. That guy is a beast. Guys, if we get another one of Bilal Powell's, I will be doing something special for you guys. 18 out of 50. Bilal Powell for the Jets. If we get him again, triple autograph just like this, we'll do something good. Shane R. There you go, Broseph. Alright, that concludes